As we get older, the skin tends to lose most of its volume. This is a very typical thing that happens to everyone across different races, and it is quite normal. Certain signs of aging include developing deeper nasolabial lines. That's the line that you see from that extends from your nose, the outer part of your nose, all the way to the outer part of your lips. Other signs would include having marionette lines that you find around here, which kind of makes the skin look like it's drooping. There are surgical and non-surgical procedures that can be used to correct these signs of aging and to basically help the skin to regain its volume. One of the non-surgical procedures is the injectable dermal fillers. Dermal fillers typically contain hyaluronic acid, although there are different other dermal fillers that contain other ingredients. But the hyaluronic acid dermal fillers is what we're going to be talking about today. Hyaluronic acid is something that is produced in our body, and the good thing about having hyaluronic acid fillers in your body is that it's easy to get to dissolve if you're not comfortable with how it looks on your skin. These fillers can be used to add volume to areas on your skin, such as your smile lines, to fill out the smile lines so that you don't see the lines visibly. It could also be used to take care of under eye bags or under eye troughs. You could also use the dermal fillers to add volume to the cheeks, to give the cheek a more contoured look, and basically to fill out any area of your skin, including your hand area, if you feel that you've lost volume. The good thing about having dermal fillers done is that the results are seen instantly. When you walk into a medical facility, you will do a consultation with one of our professionals who would ask you about your concerns and what kind of results you want to achieve. Depending on what is discussed with the medical professional, a suitable treatment plan will be drafted out for you. There's rarely any side effects to using dermal fillers. The most typical side effects that you find is that you get bruising around the area, not deep bruising that an ice pack cannot take care of. After a couple of hours, the bruising disappears and then you're back to normal. Getting injectable procedures done is as easy as ABC. You can walk in here and in 30 minutes or less, you're out of here, you've gotten your dermal fillers done, and no one would even notice. All they would do is to wonder what exactly you did on your skin, but no one would really tell what exactly you did, unless of course you decide to tell them. Call us now and book a consultation with us. We cannot wait to see you.